Professor Chandrakant Pandav, Professor Amarjit Singh, Professor Arun Agrawal, Professor Kadri, Professor Sunila Garg, Professor Harivansh Chopra, illustrious dignitaries, luminaries from the field of community medicine, distinguished delegates, and esteemed members of our association, invited guests, and ladies and gentlemen. At the outset, let me congratulate the team PGI, led by Professor Amarjit Singh and Professor Arun Agrawal, for successfully organizing this very productive conference. Team PGI, from our bottom of heart, deserves applause. Scientific deliberations were very productive and thought-provoking, and I witnessed very intellectual discourse which would help us to position our discipline in responding to the 21st century public health challenges. I see as an association a tremendous potential to contribute to improving the health of our own people through a multi-pronged strategy that we are engaged into. Education and training, program and policy relevant research, public health practice, and technical assistance are the pillars that our discipline and department can respond to the challenges that we are confronting with. Strengthening and empowering our state chapters would really give an impetus in advancing this particular agenda. Engaging with the government, other stakeholders, and communities is extremely critical and important because we all believe that multi-sectoral interventions are critical in taking health of the people forward. And therefore, engaging with even other ministries is important, and that was also reflected in the conference that we had. I'm grateful to the governing council members, particularly Professor Kadri and Professor Pradeep Kumar and Professor Sunila Garg, the president-elect, for their exemplary support to me, particularly in person, in leading the association initiatives in last couple of years or so. I'm sure IAPSM will flourish under the very dynamic leadership of Professor Sunil Garg, who would be taking over as the president from the 1st of April, and followed by Professor Harivansh Chopra. Professor C.S. Pandav, whom we today felicitated, and he has been my mentor, and I can take the liberty of saying certain things here. If I ask myself, because I have been very closely associated with Professor Pandav, what made the difference? Sir, the duty that you discharged with the dignity, determination, devotion, and distinction, that made all the difference. And I realized during this conference, what does it mean? And what you mean by that duty that you discharge, Jeena isi ka naam hai. Thank you so much, sir, for your continued blessings to all of us. Shaping the agenda for association for the nation is important. Health assurance is something which needs to be driven by our association, our discipline, and our departments. And to me, health assurance has two words, health and assurance. It is the assurance to the people of this country about the health. And what kind of health? The health they deserve, desire, demand. That's the health that we probably wanted to advance for the people of this country. And if we look at from that perspective and advance the health assurance and sustainable agenda with a broader framework of equity, quality, and dignity, that remains the hallmark, we would be able to create Swastha Bharat along with Swachha Bharat and Sashakta Bharat. Thank you for this opportunity.